Hello, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about on how to make someone on Messenger as a group admin. So first of all, just open your Messenger app and then after that one look for the group chat that you have. All right. So let's say for example, I am in case that I am going to live on this group chat, I can make someone as an admin of this group. So let's say, for example, let's search for the group chat that I have, like a poll. All right. So this is the group chats that I have with my friends. So let us check first the members. So how many members? So as you can see, there are a lot of members over here. So if in case that I just going to live on this group chat anymore, and of course since I am the admin, so I need to set a new admin of this group. So all I have to do, how to do that, is on the upper right part of the screen you will see here something like letter I. Just click that once and look for the C members. So over here I'm just going to look for the members and of course look and select the new admin that I'm going to set in this group. So let's say, for example, this one, Marie Collins. So Marie Collins is the one that I've chosen to become a new admin of this group since I am going to live in this group chat. All right. So all I have to do is, as you can see over here, there is word add as admin. So to make this Marie Collins to become an admin of this group, I'm just going to click that one and there is a question first. So add as admin. So as a group admin, Marie Collins will be able to manage the group and remove members from the conversation. They will be able to remove other admins. All right. So if Marie Collins will be the new admin, she will have the power to add or to remove a certain member of that group. Also, she can now also able to add and remove a new member or admin of this group. All right. So all the power in this group will be turned over to Marie Collins. So all I have to do to make her the new admin or as a group admin on this group, I'm just going to click add admin. All right. So as you can see, the under of her name is there is already a word admin. All right. So there you go. This is on how to make someone on Messenger as a group admin. So if you want to know on how to make someone on Messenger as a group admin, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to make someone on Messenger as a group admin, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye!